Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open your Jeep Renegade trunk. We will explore 3 straightforward methods to ensure you can always access your cargo space with ease. First, we will cover using your key fob, a common and convenient option. Next, we will locate the interior release button, perfect when you are already inside the vehicle. Finally, we will discuss the manual release, a helpful backup for any unexpected situations. Using your key fob is one of the easiest ways to open your Renegade trunk. Simply find the button with the trunk icon, usually located near the bottom of the fob. Press and hold this button for approximately 2 seconds. You will hear a distinct click as the liftgate unlatches. Once unlatched, you can easily lift the trunk door upwards to access your cargo. When you are already inside your Jeep Renegade, the interior release button offers a convenient way to open the trunk. This button is usually found on the driver's side, often on the door panel or dashboard. Simply press this button firmly. You will hear the familiar unlatching sound, and the trunk will be ready for you to lift open from the outside. In rare cases, you might need to use the manual trunk release. This is an important emergency feature. To access it, you will need to be inside the cargo area. Look for a small lever, strap, or glow-in-the-dark handle on the inside of the trunk door. Pull this mechanism firmly, and the liftgate will manually unlatch, allowing you to open it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.